What is your name? My name is María Elena. What is your surname? My name is Escobar Herrera. Do you have neck? La flaca. Yes. What do you say? Ella es estudiante. Where do you work? Ella work. She work. Mini market. Do you hug? Yes. Okay, my hockey. Bueno, this man is Juan. What many brothers I assisted do you have? I am sister. How I am 39 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 16th of April. Where you born? I was born in Palmira. Where are you from? I am from the Palmira. What is your English? My English is calle 553814. What is your phone number? No. What is your cell phone number? 315 204 48 57. Do you live with your parents? No. Do you live hand? No. What did you live with? Connect? I live with son and Westpad. Do you live in house or apartments? Only I am house. What is your email? Correo electrónico. What do you free time? I am a free time student. What are you having? My hobbies are travel.